Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can basically restore a WordPress website from backup in Hostinger. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to log into your Hostinger account, press home, and then you need to press on manage, that is on hosting here. Then you need to, on this menu, look for files, then backups, and then here you need to look for files backups. And then you need to press on that. Currently this is working, so probably I will do video. It's working, right. So you need to select files backups and then select the date. So for example, I want to get my website from 2 days ago. Press next step. And we need to wait until we get the files here. And then select name and select all the files that is here. And then you just need to press restore files and restore. And yeah, that's pretty much it, what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.